Hi, I'm Sam Flynn, and today I'm going to share with you how to increase engagement on your social media posts. So, step one, you need to make sure you're encouraging engagement. Most social media posts actually close off engagement. They don't encourage it at all. There's a really simple way to encourage people to hit that reply button, and that is simply to ask them a question. If we don't ask questions, we're not actually encouraging people to want to interact with our posts. So ask a question at the end of every post and you're saying, over to you. Number two, know what your audience wants. So pay attention to what they engage with most and also what they engage with least. You want to be giving them more of the stuff that they actively engage with and far less of the stuff that they don't ever engage with. It's amazing how many companies just post out the same kind of thing over and over again without really thinking about what their audience wants from them. Have a look at the free analytics and insights that are available on each platform, and they will show you exactly what your audience is actually looking for from you. They'll show you the reach, they'll show you the number of likes, the number of comments, the number of clicks, and so on. Pay attention to that and keep doing more of the types of content that gets engagement and less of the content that doesn't. And then finally, engage with other people's content. We kind of expect the world with social media, don't we? We expect that, we want all these things to happen to us, and yet we don't give it back in return. So engage with other people's content. Instead of just scrolling past, actively pay attention and hit that reply button yourself. I guarantee the more you do it on other people's posts, the more you will get it back on your own. So engagement really is key in helping us to grow our reach, to build relationships with our audience, and ultimately to make sales. So I definitely think it is worth focusing on how to increase yours. Let me know if you follow these 3 steps, and hopefully they'll be super successful for you.